It's a good thing and a lesson one that nabigyan sila ng pagkakataon na mabigyan ng blessing ang kanilang pagsasama. And thank you so much for the community of Focus for Christ for having this be possible. Nako, mga ninong talaga. Talagang sabi ko na yun, mga ninong talaga eh. Napakaganda ng ating bride. At syempre, gwapo din ang ating groom.
Inaalak ko yan. Inaalak ko yan.
Okay, thank you so much, ladies and nasaan po ang families and friends ni? Okay po kayo dyan? Red na red bilang Valentine's Day today. And the newlywed will be having their third baby. Yan. Congratulations! Double celebration ito. Thank you so much po mga ninongs and ninangs sa mga kulay red. Hindi man ito hugis puso, pero nakakapagpalakas ng tibok ng puso. Tama ba? Once again, ladies and gentlemen, husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Nasaan po ang families and friends? Okay.
What we have is timeless. My love is endless. And we're this say to the world, you're my every
Tonight is indeed a special night, and what would be more fitting than celebrate their first dance? First dance is symbolic of silence of their wedding vows.
We'll have it longer. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight.
Bakit? Bawal butasin.
Lalong kumanta ang ngiti ni Sister Gina.
Yeah! Tama!
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. and Mrs. Romeo. And please all welcome Mr. and Mrs. Rodil and Judy Carabo. Nasaan po ang family and friends? Meron nyo na ba?
Baile, baile. Baile mo yan, bro. Kaya akin na, bro. Ay, wow. Talaga, bro.
Ang babata pa ng ating mga newlyweds, ano po, no? Tama yan. Although mga bata pa, pero it's a blessing thing that they realize that they start earlier to have their weddings sa church. Kasi magandang blessing po yan, or panimula sa mag-asawa. To have God's blessing po sa kanilang pagsasama. Napakaraming mga red and blue.
Take me to the sun, give me your hand before I move. Show me what love is, you gotta prove. Show me what this can be true. They say nothing lasts forever. We're